Hey there, this video is dedicated to subscriber crew 62. That's you. That's right. More people are showing up in my living room to experience the shenanigans of Kizzy's place. Who would have thought? But I want to thank you for showing up. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, um, and liking the videos. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. You know, if this keeps going like this, I'm going to have to put some more cinder blocks underneath the floorboards in my living room because it's going to be sagging soon. Anyway, just being silly. I just wanted to come on and share with you a cool little find that I found at a discount store nearby. My neighbor was telling me about this place called Shep's. Ever since I've gone in that store, oh my gosh, it's just, I love that place. I just go in there and just get lost for an hour looking at this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that, this, that. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to tell you more about it in just a minute. Hang on. Okay, so when I went into the discount store, I came across this, but it didn't look like this when I saw it at first. It was lying in stacks about an inch high. And I was like, what is this? And someone said, it's a crate. But, so I said, well, let me play with this. And I learned that you can take this thing apart. It was lying flat, and then pop the sides back up, and now it's a crate. And whenever it's being stored, of course, it's just flat, it's not taking up a lot of space. So I thought, okay, there's got to be a good purpose for this. Look at that. Look at that. No space. It's just flat. So I decided I'm going to try to turn this into a raised bed place to put my starts. And that's what I did. So I popped these back together. Of course, I hosed them down because they were extremely dirty. You know, don't be afraid of some dirt. You'll miss out on some good bargains that way. But I went ahead and popped these back together. I lined them with some garbage bags and poked holes in the bottom. As you see, it already has holes in the bottom, so I just poked some more holes in the bottom of the bag so it would drain. Filled it with some potting soil and some good dirt and manure. And then I started my plants. Look how strong that is. And easy to carry because it has handles. So here it is. I started my, what have I got here? Some kale. Yep. And then I used another one to start some, spinach. Spinach. Yep. And then I used another one to start my Japanese squash, which I'm going to keep the locusts out of this year. I'm fighting back. And then there's another spinach tray at the bottom that I need to pull out and get it in the sun. Yeah, so 4 of these crates, and they are a great place to get my starts going, get those sprouted up. And once they get to be, here I am watering it in, of course. I'm so excited to see them start to come up. But these crates are awesome because I can just snatch them up on both sides. They have those handles and I can move them wherever I need to in the garden if they need to be someplace where there's more sun. So I thought it was a really cool find. And I've got all of my bigger pots on standby here on the left so that any of these plants that decide to take off, I can put it in another pot and it's ready to go. I was so excited. So there it is, those collapsible crates. $1. Can you believe it? I paid $1 for each of those. Good deal.